By the way, Dr.
Yeah.
Landry, hair looks beautiful today.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Do you have a stylist that you go to that you love and trust?
I do. I do.
Do you, when you go there, do you expect potential life-saving treatment?
I typically don't.
Well, you all may not either, but in Illinois, things may be changing. A new law in that state will ensure that your hairdresser is skilled not only in cutting hair and colors and highlights, but also in saving lives. Starting January 1 of next year, licensed hairdressers in the state of Illinois will be required to get training to identify signs of domestic violence. The first state to have a law like this. And I think the idea behind this law, look, it doesn't require the stylist to do anything, but to help them recognize some of the signs, they could be the difference between life and death for some of their clients, because we know that one of the biggest issues, especially when people end up in a clinical setting or the hospital, or they're surrounded by the person who may be the abuser, they're much less likely to be vocal about it. But I think a hairdresser, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's like a place women can go, and it's a safe place, and
Yes.
around friends, and hopefully they would feel safe enough to have these conversations. Is that fair to say?
I'm sure you two have noticed when you have someone who's abusive, then it's very hard to get that woman alone. A lot of times the abuser, they won't leave the room. When you're examining them, when you're talking to them, they just will not go away. So this is one of the few places that women go where the abuser may not be present. So being able to train these women, even though it's, you know, it's limited training, but being able to train them so at least maybe these women will have someone to talk to, it's definitely going to be beneficial.
I think it'll be interesting to see what happens. The fact that 1 in 5 women will be victims of abuse, physical violence by an intimate partner in their lifetime, that's 1 in 5 women. And if you look at that 20%, I would be willing to bet that a great number of those are so fearful of acknowledging it and reporting it. This, I love this. I actually like that you're at least getting trained in it, what to look for, what to recognize.